What's good, everybody? This is Trims by Cartier, and today I have a unboxing of the Low Pro Effects clipper and trimmer from Babyliss. You guys stay tuned.
I would never be broke another day in my life. God got it. God got it. I would never be broke another day in my life.
Alright, so to start this video off, I'm going to open the Babyliss Low Pro Effects clipper first. I kind of like the packaging. The packaging is kind of dope. So it's actually a box in a plastic sheet. I kind of like the presentation. So the clipper to me feels similar to the Magic Clips or the Wall Senior. It does have the clicking mechanism on the side. The blade looks pretty dope as well. I like that it's black on black. One of my favorite colors is black, so I thought this looked pretty cool. So what comes with the clipper in the box, you get your oil for the clipper blade. You also get a little brush to clean your blade off, and then it does come with this clipper guard. You can actually put this on the guard to keep it from getting damaged if you do house calls or travel or things like that. And you do get the screwdriver as well. So it comes with a charger. And it does come with guards as well. And a manual, which I don't never read. I don't even open that thing. So, and then it also comes with the decal, the Babyliss Barbercology decal. And then with the guards, in one packaging it has the half guard and the one guard. Which I normally don't use these type of guards, but I will be using the guards with this particular clipper because I was always interested in the Babyliss system because it's similar to the wall system. It comes with a half guard, a one guard, a 1.5 guard, the 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 guard. It doesn't come with a 7 and 8 guard, but you can use a wall 7 and 8 guard if you have one. But most of the time, whenever I cut, I don't even use the guard past 5. So anything past the 5th guard, I don't even use it. It all depends on if the client knows what type of guard he wants to cut his hair down to. That's the only time that I use it. So here are the Low Pro Effects trimmers. Now these trimmers are something that I was excited about. See, it does have the black on black. The blade is black, and it does have the blade exposed And I like the fact that the blade has deeper teeth. Kind of reminds me of the Andis GTX blade. It also comes with a charger. It comes with oil as well. And it also comes with a tool that will help you set the blade, the little screwdriver and the blade setting tool. And then it also comes with a little brush and another screwdriver. So with Babyliss, you do get a bang for your buck. You do get the tools necessary. So here's a closer look at the clipper. So if you use the Wall Senior or the Wall Magic clips, these clippers are similar to those. And then it has the clicking lever on the side, which is something that I like. And here's the trimmer up close. It does feel pretty good in my hands. It doesn't feel too big or too small. So comparing the Low Pro FX trimmer to the Pro FX trimmer, it is smaller. But I believe that both trimmers are good, but we shall see whenever I use them, you know what I'm saying? So that's something I'm excited about. Then with the Pro FX clipper and the Low Pro FX clipper, the Low Pro FX clipper is smaller. So remember that the Low Pro FX are similar to the Wall Seniors and the Wall Magic clips, if you guys are, you know, trying to compare it to anything. So that's pretty much the unboxing for now of the clipper and the trimmer, the Babyliss Low Pro FX trimmer and clipper. So I'm gonna do a part 2 to this video of showing you guys what these clippers can actually do. I appreciate you guys for watching the video. If you guys are interested in seeing any other type of clipper for me to review or unbox, just put it in the comment section and I'll see what I can do. But again, I appreciate you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the channel because part 2 is on the way.